Yo, 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 what is
Oh
up,
my God.
everybody? Yeah, this market is selling off right now. Um,
No, it
hopefully you
wasn't that. It
guys,
was you was on
oh,
double. I was like, damn.
oh, hopefully you guys had a great day yesterday. Trade the market. You know, this market went absolutely crazy. It went parabolic yesterday. NQ was breaking all types of levels. Yes, actually not so much, but NQ really went ham yesterday. So hopefully you guys caught a piece of it. I know Hobbs caught like a lot of it. I caught a little bit of it too. Yeah, but these sellers are back in the building and they
Yo, the
mean
VIX just shot to
business.
78, bro. The VIX is getting busy.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, this thing
ES is
coming down. I'm like,
ES is back in ES is back in demand again. But anyway, yeah. But anyway, let's go ahead and let's get into these pre-market plans real fast. As Hobbs continues to look to see what's about to happen on NQ.
I'm looking to get long down here, 100%.
Actually, hold up. This might be long right here.
I'm long 294.50. That's what I was waiting on. This is still that demand zone, Valdez. I told your ass. And this is the end of it right here. And we swept through it. And I was like, now all I want to see is buyers step in right here.
Hold up. I like this candle too. Hold up a second. I like that last candle. I just want to see what happens on this candle. Hold up a second, y'all. Hold up a second, y'all. Hold up a second, y'all. Hold on a second, y'all. Hold on. We about to get in these pre-market plans, but I'm actually interested in seeing what this candle does as well. If this candle also gets can start to get sucked up, I will look to log this too. ES is in 1 hour demand, and this is where a lot of the buying started yesterday. So ES is definitely in a key location, and NQ's been much stronger. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Yeah, that was nice. That's a nice defense right there. Dang, who's underwater? Who's underwater?
It's Valdez.
Yeah.
I think it's like your fan or something. No, it's like your fan or something.
What up,
Custom? Your heat makes
we're looking for a trade right now
things.
Before we go through the pre-market plan. Looking like it's blowing straight through. Yeah, we're stopping. We're finding buyers down here. I'm really liking this consolidation I'm seeing down here too. 2 minutes. Yeah, I'm liking what I'm seeing right now. seeing some potential buying coming in here. Yeah, but they're still fighting down here.
I'm 70.
Not sure.
1670, 1665. It's coming down a little bit. So there's definitely some buying. There's definitely some interest from buyers down here. I'm long off the 15-second chart at 94.50. I like the sweep and the immediate recovery. I like everything about the trade. We just need to push. If we push, I'll get paid. If we don't, go ahead. Yeah, right. we're in a downtrend. I'm just trying to go. I'm just trying to go back to the high. That's all. What's up, Jay?
Yeah. Oh, I said I'm gonna wait. I want to see if we can actually get some buying up out of here. I like this consolidation here. So a lot of times, at least what I've seen when I was going through price is whenever we consolidate like this, a lot of times if we're gonna truly buy, we'll come back up, pick up some more orders down here, defend, and then we'll go. So I want to actually see the legit buying come up out of here. But I do like the area though, because the area is this is the same area on ES. This area on ES is a little bit more key than the area on NQ. And to be honest, my pre-market plan is already played out somewhat on
this
ES.
Is my pre-market plan for NQ. This is the only bullish plan I wrote. That's why I was like, I don't care about the show right now. Like we're gonna go ahead and get this. I'm gonna get this trade in real quick, and then we'll start the show. That's why I was so quiet, because I was like, this is 100% my area. So I just want to see where we're going to stop, because the next area is 26275. If we come out of there, if we come out of here, that'll be the next area I'll look for longs. But I really like what's going on down here. Buyers just need to step up. The VIX is dropping. The stocks are, let me see what the stocks are doing here. Stocks are still in a free fall, but they're Amazon got a nice candle. Apple got a nice candle. Microsoft got a nice candle dropping out of its demand zone. So Nvidia just has to come and play. That's all.
Yeah, 5 minutes looking real nice too. We're getting a nice, like, really nice 5 minute flip here.
Yeah, that's a lot. No, that's a lot of liquidity up there. That's a lot of liquidity up there. That's what I'm banking on. I'm hoping buyers want to go up and take that liquidity. That's what I want to happen. So. Yeah. That was a big seller.
Yeah, you gotta get right back up though.
I like this trade because the risk is really low. Like, I'm out of the trade if we sweep the low. It's only like 10 points for me. So I really like the risk. I like the flip on the 1 minute. Barely flipping, but we are flipping. You just got to get some more buying pressure coming in. VIX is continuing to fall. We're down to 57 now. We came down here at 75. So just want to see some aggressive buying coming in. And the VIX is at a rejection point too. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, all right. let's get to the show, man. Let me share my screen here, and I'll break down the pre-market plan for the Nasdaq. The trade is what it is. It's either going to be a winner or a loser. I've accepted the fate either way. Let me see. All right, cool. All right, so what we're looking at here is an aggressive sell-off from that high of yesterday, right? We got this aggressive sell-off, which is kind of what we expected, right? Stepping back into this range that we've been in, this 4-hour range. What you want to see is you want to see the bulls defend this area currently. This is where we're long at right now. This area being 32625 through roughly about 32625 through roughly about 304 or 288 basically. I got long toward the bottom of this range. I like what I was seeing on the tape. I like what I seeing on the 1 minute and the 5 minute time frame. So I put the risk on, and then we'll see what happens, right? Like, I'm long in the 90s. We'll see. My target is basically to come back up to these highs and take out these highs. If that fails, however, my next area to look for longs, I didn't write it because I was, again, actively looking for a trade. So I was trying to focus on that. My next area to look for longs is right here at 262, basically 26275 through roughly about 171. The reason why this area is important to me is because on the 1 hour, this area is the previous high and the previous low. It basically, the Fibonacci sits right on top of this 1 hour demand zone. So if this area doesn't hold, if this trade is a loser, then what I'll do is I'll look to re-enter the trade at 262. I'm not going to give it the 40 points that it needs to hold until 262. Instead, I'll take the loss, and then I'll accept that loss and then move on to the next potential trade idea. If the buyers are going to continue to fail, then I'm just going to, again, I'm not going to short the market because the market's already in a downtrend, right? I'm more so looking to reverse the trend at a key level. And these levels are very, very key to me. So once we come down, like I said, if this trade is a loser, if we come down a little lower, then that'll be my next area to look for longs. In regards to the short side, I'm only looking to short if we come back to this 4 hour supply zone, because we haven't been able to prove that we can get above that. The other area that I would look for potentially is this 30-minute supply zone right here, right? So if we go to the 30-minute chart, we can see that this area caused the break of the previous structure that we built, right? So if we look here, and I'll show you that in like kind of real time, we built supply right here, right? So if we can get sellers to come back up to this level or buyers to come back up to this level, this will be the first level I'll be looking to take profit on my trade if we come back up here. And this is the area where I would actually look to short the market, right? If we look weak in this area. So I think the market overall is in a very strong uptrend. Therefore, that's why I'm not really entertaining looking to short the market. I'm more so looking to be bullish, but I do understand the current structure that is built is bearish, potentially heading back up to more bearish territory. So we'll see. But that's what I got. Jay, you got anything for ES? Or are you still looking to take the trade?
No, I'm already in. But
okay.
for ES, for ES, I mean, it's pretty much the same thing. Like, we broke that 1 hour, but we're in another 1 hour, and this 1 hour, if we look, this 1 hour is at the low. So like, that's why I also was very interested in where we were on NQ, because ES is in a pivotal area for bulls to step up and defend and potentially bring price higher. You can already see ES is moving up, so that should bode well for NQ as well. My plan pretty much played out on ES immediately. My plan was, if we couldn't hold this, to look for the break and retest. We got the break and retest and we failed underneath, and then to look for longs at this 1 hour, which is what we're getting right now. So yeah, I mean, it's looking good. And yeah, there wasn't much to say. Like, we have to kind of hold here if we're going to continue being bullish on ES and NQ. And NQ structurally isn't the same as ES. So ES's job today really is going to be to try to take out this 2 hour supply that was made from CPI, or not CPI, PP. Wait, is it CPI? I think it was CPI. Yeah, the CPI drop.
Oh, the CPI is the drop.
Yeah,
PPI
yeah,
is
the CPI. Yep, the CPI drop. That's gonna be its goal, because it hasn't taken that out yet. On top of that, we made new structure on ES as well to drop the market. So there's just a lot of things that that ES has to accomplish today. But I think it can definitely do it. I think we just came down to find more buyers. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, that's my man.
And then as far as the stocks go right now, as far as the stocks go right now, Apple is trying to double bottom here at 173, putting in a higher low. Microsoft is pushing through. It pushed through its demand zone, but it's trying to find buyers right at the end of the demand zone. Nvidia is going to be basically the one that kind of ends our fate for this trade, like whether or not Nvidia wants to hold. Meta is what it is, and then Amazon is down here bouncing off the low as well. So just depends on what these stocks want to do. The VIX is continuing to sell off as well. So this is one of the reasons why I'm pretty bullish down here. It's just a matter of, am I on time, right? Like ultimately the area that we choose is usually the right area. The only question is, are you on the right time? And that's it. Like, that's all I can do is try to be on time, manage my risk, and then, try to capitalize on that from there. So that's my job. That's what I'm going to do. My first target on this trade is 398.50.
Good.
You said good?
Yeah, my target's 380.
Oh yeah. I'm just targeting that 30-minute supply, basically where we dropped from. I don't want to mess around with those sellers up there. I'm good. If we get all the way up there, I'm out. I really hate when we stall out after a sell-off like that. Like, I know it's natural for us to stall out, but when we get aggressively selly like that, you just never know when these sellers are going to drop the freaking hammer.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
We have like 15 minutes until open. I'm just hoping that this pushes my entry. Well, both of our entries, maybe Valdez entry too. Because if it doesn't, I got in at 05. So
where'd you
I got
get
in at the top of the consolidation.
Because Valdez okay, gotcha.
That makes sense. That's a good target.
Yeah, so you can get to whatever your number is for the day much sooner. That makes sense. Yeah, without having to hold too long. Yeah. My entry is 294.50. My risk is 84.50. Target 398. Taking profit at 337. I'm in 2, so I'll take one at 337 and let the runner go to 398. That's the plan. All right, so let's jump in with chat. See how y'all doing. I know we was kind of quiet to start the day, but hey, traders gonna trade, right? So that being said, looking like it's blowing straight through. Yeah, it might come and get us. That one red bar looks like it's not gonna help sellers down, slowing down from the sell-off. Yeah, yes they are. It's a war. Yeah, it's definitely a war. I think there's an opportunity here to reverse the market. Whatever the market wants to do here, it's gonna do it, right? So I have my plan. I place my bet, and that's all you can do. You place your bet and see what happens. That's it. Nothing else matters.
That was a good candle.
Let's check on the rest of the market here. Gold's looking good. Cold and consolidation. S&P's looking pretty good. See if we can't push out of this area. I like the 15-minute candle closer. The previous 15-minute. Let's see if this one can get a little aggressive. When all of that buying comes in and it immediately gets shut down, like it's never really good. So, but the VIX is continuing to sell off, so we'll see what happens. No, I do not like when we come out aggressive like that, because I already know what usually comes next. Is like, get them excited, Yeah. And it gets them get everybody excited, and then it just be like dump. You like, come on, man. Yep. 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 Every time to go.
Yeah, that definitely was not a good candle right there.
It was not. When you got excited, I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, I went ahead and just got out of the trade. I don't like that rejection right there.
It's all good. Yeah. Nah, my risk is already managed, so it is what it is. I'm staying in the trade. Win, lose, or draw. I'm here for it. Come and get me, bitch. Come and get me, as Jay-Z would say. Come and get me. You gonna have to take me out of this motherfucker. I'm not leaving. You gonna have to take me out. You got to tell me I'm wrong. I'm not fucking leaving. You gonna have to tell me I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, I got a plan for the next trade. Yeah, I got a plan for the wick out, right? Like if we get wicked out, I know where I want to re-enter the trade, because that means we're coming down lower. Yeah, 260, 275 is where I'd be looking for next. So I'm not worried about this trade. Like if it's a winner, great. If it's not, then I have a plan for re-entry. So it is what it is. Buyers are still defending my entry, which makes me feel good. The VIX is still coming down, which also makes me feel good. And they're adding liquidity at my entry. So that makes me feel like they want to support this. Could they rug pull it? Yep, they absolutely could. Could they act like this shit never happened? Yep. Could this just be a quick scalp? Yep. All of those things are true, but those are things that I have to accept. Like that's part of my game plan, right? Like part of my game plan is playing a little bit of risque, right? Like and managing my risk. My risk is very well managed for this trade, right? Like there's nothing the market can do to hurt me other than prove that I'm incorrect on my analysis here, and that's okay. Other than that, I'm staying in the trade.
Yeah, I mean, I had a plan, and I moved my stop was at the bottom, but I didn't want to risk as much. So I had a plan to cut early if I saw something I didn't like. I saw what I didn't like, so I cut early to save myself some money on the trade. I would have been stopped out there anyway, so I ended up saving myself like an extra $100. So I'm not mad about it. I'm not mad about that.
No, I mean I'm not.
And I would have looked to re-enter if I was wrong, or if I cut too early and I got another signal, I would have got back in.
Yeah, I guess for me, like I don't like to set the precedence for my trading to just cut when I see something I don't like, because a lot of times you'll see stuff that you don't like, and then the market will show you that, and then next thing you know, it'll go the opposite direction, right? It'll go the direction in your trade. So I'm just trying to get in the habit of just holding my trades until my trade ideas is invalid, right? What invalidates this trade is if we sweep the low, for me, right? If the low gets swept, then I'm invalidated, and I'll look for the next trade entry. But if we don't sweep the low, then it is what it is. VIX is warming back up to the upside here, coming for my stop right here at 84.50. But again, my secondary plan, if we that's the open candle. If we can't, what's up?
Oh, it looked like open, didn't it?
It looked like open. I was like, damn, okay, that was a candle. Yeah. That was the middle of the macro right there. Yeah, we just tapped into the middle of the macro right there. So 5 minutes till they're injecting that liquidity right now. So yep, me too. Came with it. Yep, me too. I'm right there with you. I don't know what that one is. I don't know what that candle was, but whatever. Yeah, that's what I said. Who just bought the market up? Like, damn, okay. All right. I don't know. They came down far enough. Shit. I'm never that lucky. You're never that lucky, and it won't be today either. It won't be today either. All I know is the area of invalidation is still intact. So until that area is invalidated, I'm in the trade. Hey man, it is what it is. Let this thing push if it's gonna push. Let the trade be the trade, man. That's all I'm trying to do. If it's gonna push, it'll push. If it's not gonna push, it's just gonna fucking come down and sweep us out. But we have a plan for the next opportunity already, right? If the market's gonna continue to be bearish, then it's gonna come up at some point. We're still bullish on a macro trend. We're just bearish right now. We're holding that low. My stop's beneath both of these lows. So either this demand's gonna get taken out, we're gonna continue to the downside, and I'll look to re-enter long, or it's gonna take us back up. One of the two. All right, there's the sweep right there. Ooh, no way. No way I'm still in. I'll sway. Okay, there it goes. All right, I'm stopped out right there. Jesus. I'm like, no way. I think it moved so fast, I couldn't even get out. They were like, I think he got out. Is he out? Is he safe? All right, stopped out right there. Next area of interest, like I said, is 262. The market just could not find aggressive buyers coming out of that area. So I'll wait to see if I can get in on the next area of interest. I'm not gonna, like I said, I'm not looking to short the market while we're this low. I'm more so looking to long the market down at 26225 or 26275. The market wants to continue to sell off, then this time when I enter the trade, it's going to need to break some type of structure. That was an early entry criteria off the 15-second, and it never materialized. So now I'm just going to wait to see if the market can kind of break some type of structure on the 1 minute down here.
Yes, it's still looking extremely bullish.
Yeah, it could have just wanted to sweep us out before going back up. But
yeah, look at that candle on the wall.
Look at the liquidity. God. Look at the liquidity being added. Son of a biscuit. Bro, how many times do you need to sweep NQ? Jeez.
Yeah, ES is looking extremely bullish right now. Of course, they would do some different stuff.
I'm just not understanding why NQ needed to do that to me just early in the morning. Like, I don't understand why you needed to go that route. Like, I thought we was cool. After yesterday, we talked about this shit. Like, stop doing that shit.
We were friends.
For real.
I thought that we were friends.
It's like, bro, like how many stops do you need, NQ? Like, come on, like, god dang, you got everybody stop. You want my demo stop too?
My demo stop.
Like, it's not necessary, NQ.
All right, El Marque is El Open A.
Oh Lord, Justin, you're not Hispanic. I need you to stop talking like that.
Oh!
I'm gonna throw my fucking mouse at this computer right now.
Well, we swept the low. We swept the low has been swept. We got him. We got him. We got him, coppers. We got him.
All right. There's the inverse head and shoulders right there being printed.
Yeah, I want to see us take out.
I want to see us come down a little
315.
further, man.
I want to see us take out 315. Look at ES go, bruh. Yeah, ES is out of there.
ES is up 1 point.
not from
Doesn't be like, look at ES go. It's up 1 point, bro. What are you talking about?
I'm talking about from 194 or from 194, 51, 94, 25. That's the same bounce that we got on NQ.
Be going ham on ES. ES is gone. Like, bro, it's up 1 point at the open. What are you talking about?
No, I'm talking about the entire move, not just the open move.
Oh my goodness. You be capping for ES, bro.
What a sweep down. Hey, don't hate on ES.
I like this.
What up, CPN? How's it going, bro? 230 on puts last night. Let's go, Micaiah. Good morning, Bray. In long, I got the top of that first range on NQ.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I did too. I got the bottom of it.
I got the top. But
all right, I'm in long. I got a better entry this time. I'm in long at 290.50. Stops at 74.
Let's go. Yeah, I want to see us break above 313.
I think she's trying to go, man. I think she's trying to go from here. Like, I wanted to stab into the demand zone, but I feel like she's trying to go from here. She just don't. Like, we have 26 points, and we just can't go. Like, can we just go to 50? Can we get 50? Can I get 50 at you? Thank you. Get your ass up there.
Shay, he got stopped out of the first trade.
No, she's talking about the trade from this morning. No, I took profit, baby. I took profit. I text Pippi and told him, I said, I'm putting my stops to in profit right the fuck now.
you'd be down in the dumps right now.
Huh?
I said you'd be down in the dumps right now if you wouldn't have taken profit on that trade.
No, I was up like 50 points on 2 minis. So I just put my profit. I just took my profit in an area where I was comfortable. I'm in the same position right now, so I'm just trying to trade like I know how to trade and stop trying to act like I don't belong here, because I do belong. Let's go. Let's go. Print this bitch out. Let's go. I fucking belong here, baby. Act like I don't fucking belong. Open the door. The fucking door. That's it.
Lord.
Oh, you mean 407? Okay, I got you. I'm tracking. I said it was bad. Can't be bad now. Now I want the top.
Well, the stock's looking good. VIX is rejecting. That's good.
All right, it stops to break even here. Just to protect myself from that motherfucker. What NQ? Chill out, bruh. Oh my god. No, I'm not moving my stops to break even. I'm putting them. I'm deleveraging down to 10 points. That's what I'm gonna do. I think NQ could still play this little fuck game up here. Right at 326 is where we're rejecting here. See, we take this guy out. Oh my God, Apple. Whoa, Nelly. Apple has left the freaking building, which doesn't go well for our trade, though. When Apple does the opposite of the stock market lately, it's never really good. But yesterday it worked out. So let's see if it works out today. But does the market show us that look like, hey, Apple's going, buy it again, and then rug pull everybody? Like, shit, market.
Apple's going. So is Google. Nvidia
I was about to say, Justin, Nvidia is not ripping. You cut it out right now. You cut it out right now.
I meant Google. I meant the Jujul. The Jujul's ripping.
All right, there we go. Let's get up out of here, baby. Are you in yet, Jay? Or are you still waiting on the breakout?
I was waiting on that. I'm waiting for this pullback.
All right.
Let's see if we can pull back to 295.
need to chill out. Just freaking send this thing. Like, we already did flip structure here on the 1 minute. Pull back to 300 and then go. Killing me, Smalls. You're freaking killing me, B.
Yeah, it's 5 minute candle looking deadly.
The downside of us.
For the downside, but we pushing though.
And show them who you are in Q. Go up, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. I got everything I wanted down here. I just need to see the push. I need to see the push. Oh my God, the VIX is heating the fuck up to the upside. I don't like this anymore. VIX, what are you doing? Relax. VIX, what the fuck? Yo, look at Google, Apple, and fucking Amazon. And NQ is NVIDIA. Stop. Yo, what the fuck? Apple, all of the big boys are sending, but NVIDIA is dragging this market down. Stop it, NVIDIA. Yo, you're killing my trade right now, NVIDIA. I'm gonna need you to relax, bro. I'm moving my stops in profit, man. With NVIDIA selling like that and the VIX coming up, like, come on. Hold this level. Just hold 300, bro. There we go. Hold that. Hold that 50 right there. Hold that. Fucking ridiculous open right now. Need y'all to get some volume going in this market. Yo, VIX. What the VIX? NVIDIA. Oh my God, bro. Look at NVIDIA.
I'm watching. I see it.
Look at Apple's candle at the open, bro. No way we dumping. No way we're dumping with Apple ripping like this. I'm not buying it, bro. Look at Apple's candle. Bro, are y'all seeing Apple's candle right now? Look at this thing. No way we're going down. No way. Bukaya said he's in short because of NVIDIA. Look at Apple's candle, bro. This is freaking nuts. Oh my goodness. I'm securing profit, man. I just don't trust it.
Oh, they just threw 300 orders. Oh, never mind. They spooked it.
I don't like it because of this guy. If NVIDIA goes down, NQ's coming down. Like it's no question. And once the VIX starts pushing up like that, nope, I lock in profit.
Yeah, Apple's hitting 4-hour supply too, getting rejected.
Yeah. I'm good. I'm still in the trade, but I'm locking in some fucking profit. Come on, man. Just get up out of here, bro. What are you doing over there, NVIDIA? Freaking nutty.
Nutty bar. Nutty bar.
They showing you, like, they throwing a straight curveball in the market right now. They're written. NQ is freaking. NQ is stuck sideways because of the fact that there's such a divergence between Apple and NVIDIA right now and Microsoft. It's crazy. ES don't care though. ES is like, is Apple going? We're going.
Yeah, ES really does not.
Yeah, ES is like, as long as Apple is ripping, we're going up. Period. Point blank. Yo, what the fuck? What the? What are you doing? Just hold this level right here. As long as we can hold 300, I feel comfortable about the trade, but they don't make it easy, that's for sure. What's the Dow doing? The Dow's reversing. Gold is trading sideways. ES is still just pushing. Do I want to accept this loss? Do I want to accept the risk on this trade? I kind of do, but then I don't. Fuck, man. I'm going to accept the risk. Fuck it. I'm going to accept the full risk. I'm moving my stops back down to stop loss. gonna accept it. I like what I'm seeing out of these buyers on the tape. I'm gonna accept it. We don't have any more news. Nvidia's scary, but fuck, man. I gotta walk these shoes if I want to be this trader. So I'm gonna accept the risk. The VIX could reject right here. It'd be really nice. We just got to start trading above 337. That's all I want. We can get above there with a nice boom boom candle. Life will be so much easier. I think we set the trap. So if we can just put all of these short sellers underwater, because if you're shorting right now, I feel like you're late to the party, right? Like all of the dumpage has already happened. So that's why I don't want to get short right now, because that's already happened. So like I feel like the only thing to do is to long the market up here and target the Tokyo and London highs. That's why I'm not really entertaining the short thesis. I do understand it based off the structure, but oh my God, just hold 300 market. Keep buying at 300. That's all I need you to do. You stop buying at 300, I gotta go. If they put this buyer underwater at 300, I'm gonna exit the trade. And they're trying to put him underwater, but he's defending. I need you to do a better job than that at defending. That's a sweep. Let's see if you defend. Some buying should come in here. Nope, that's not a defense. All right, I'm out. No, wait. I think he's defending. I think he's defending. Come on, man. Like, show up. I need you to show up a little sooner than that. I almost closed my trade, bro. Like, I need you to show up a lot sooner than that. Goodness, Johnny. What are you doing? All right, Johnny from sales. There we go. Get up here, baby. Get up here. Come on, Johnny. Damn, bro. Did you miss your calling? There goes gold. Left the building. Come on, Johnny. Start buying, bro. Just do your thing. Thank you, Johnny. Thank you, Johnny. Damn. Now, Johnny, the objective is to get above 337 now. Do not stop buying when we get to the high, okay? All right, good job, Johnny. Good job. Keep buying. Look at freaking Apple, bro. What is in apple juice today, bro? What is going on? What is happening right now? Apple is up $3 at the open, bro. Apple is lost its ever-loving mind and is about to pull the entire market up with it. That's what I'm talking about. Welcome back, Apple. Welcome back to being the boss, baby. Let's go. Let's go, Apple. Send us to the motherfucking moon. Come on, baby. The VIX is at 1680, but I don't think the buyers care. They're like, we don't care about the VIX. Send it. Come on. Get above 337. That's all we need. Come on. Send it. Go up. Up. 4 seconds left in this 15 minute. I'm really liking this close right here. We just don't want the next 15 minute to open up like that. You're killing me, Johnny. You're killing me, Johnny. Johnny, do your fucking job. Johnny, do your job. Let's go. Come on, Johnny. Get paid, baby. Let's go. Shit. Chill out, Johnny. Johnny. Susie from sales need to relax, bro. What is going on with the market today? The VIX is ramping. Apple is up $4 at the it's still going. What the fuck is happening with Apple right now, bro? Yo,
Apple losing this mind.
Apple is going nuts right now, bro. What is in the apple juice? I have no idea what's happening with Apple right now, but you know what? I'm gonna focus on this trade. I need
Nvidia starting to reverse too.
I need NQ to get some of that apple juice, bro. What just happened? Come on, Apple. Sit in this market, baby. Vince, calm the down.
Good look, Void. Don't forget, guys. We got news at we got news at 10. So
come on, baby. Let's go.
Yeah,
Let's go. Apple, sit in this market, baby. Come on. Sit in this shit. Bro, gold going nuts right now, bro. There goes the VIX dropping. Yeah, ES looking real good. It's because of Apple, bro. Apple said, no, we're going up. I don't care what you see today. We're going up. Let's go. Send it. Come on. You stopped me out once. You already played with my liquidity one time. Like, I need you to just do your thing. Stop playing. Like, let's go and get where we going. Let's make this freaking money so I can go and take my labs, my fasting labs, let them poke me at the VA. Come on. Get up there, girl. Come on. Come on. We just got to trade above 33725, guys. We get above 33775, we'll go right into the profit target of 398. Come on. Come on, girl. Oh, gold. Oh, gold. Gold. What are you doing down there? Jeez. Woo. Gold is at 24.21 right now, y'all. Gold is short squeezing. What the? It's short squeezing. It's above all-time highs. This makes no sense. Come on. Come on. Don't stall out right. Yo, I should have took longs on gold. What the? Gold. I'd have been done with this trade already. NQ, stop it. Come on. You got to catch up. Gold is going for it. Apple is going for it. Microsoft and Nvidia are going for it. What are you waiting on, girl? Justin, make the call. Yo, Apple is still ripping, bro. Yeah, it's because of Apple, bro. Apple is taking its mantle back today. This is some boss hog shit right here. I ain't seen this in a while from Apple, bro.
Yeah, Apple's going crazy.
Apple is going crazy right now.
Dang.
Are you in this trade, Justin?
No, I was. I don't even want to talk about it. I love that sweep, and I thought we were gonna come down one more time and defend that level.
Oh my
and
God!
We didn't
Just
so
always looking for one more sweep. You always want
no. I wasn't looking for one more sweep. I like that sweep. I was looking for a defense of the of one low. 9.5
for your
no. I was talking about ES being at 51.94. And I was like, ES is rallying way harder than NQ was. That's what I was saying. Not 9.5. I don't. No. What I was saying was that ES was looking much stronger than NQ because we didn't pull back the way we did on ES, like we did on NQ. That's all.
Gotcha.
That's all.
I'm tracking. Oh, we got news. You said you got news at 10? What time is it?
Yeah, there's consumer sentiment. It's 9:50.
We got 10 more minutes? All right. I think I can hold through this news. I'll hold through the news.
It's consumer
sentiment. Consumer sentiment. Prelim. Yeah, it's like University of Michigan consumer sentiment. Oh God, NQ. Why you just can't be like gold? Be more like gold. All I need you to do is be more like gold, bro. Like, you see how gold goes up and it just says fuck everybody? Like, why can't you be like gold, bro? Go to your destination, bro. You'll make me a bagel. What we got? How much time we got left? You know what? I got some laundry that needs my attention. I'll be right back.
Good Lord. That was a nice defense. Yeah, talk about That's a skyrocket right there. They just got that's a 16-point candle. Got him. Now, do we get continuation, or was it a trap? Give me that continuation. Yeah, there's a lot of people right here that are trying. I mean, this area would make sense. Nvidia still hasn't really moved. And the VIX isn't coming down. But they're still buying this up. Oh, yeah.
Let's go. Oh, sorry guys, I had to walk away while this. I was trying to stay away until consumer sentiment comes out because I know I'm gonna want to sell. Yeah, 6 minutes left. How you doing, Valdez? You still in? Yeah, I'm fucking his bagel up. Yo, the whole market is sending right now, bro. No way we don't go up. No way. Consumer sentiment, send us, please. Send it, baby.
Yeah, what's really interesting is that the VIX is diverging from all of this.
From all of it. Yeah, it's not just interesting, it's actually pretty scary. I'm actually going to secure one contract here. I think that'll be playing it safe. I think you know what? I'm already up on the day. I did this yesterday, man. Fuck. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? I'm not asking you. I'm debating it in my brain. I'm not asking for your damn opinion. I'm fighting with myself right now, okay? I'm fighting with myself right now.
Also, YM is dumping right now.
All right, Justin. Enough with the just to be giving me the slight fear recognition. Hey, just so you know.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
YM is not dumping, Justin. YM is putting in a higher low. That is not a dump.
True, you're right.
Oh, goodness. All right. We're at the top of the macro. We should go down. You know what? Screw it. I'm in it. I'm in it. I'm already up on the day. It can't really hurt me. All right, I'll be back. Can't watch. I can't watch.
Where's this 4 hour at? 203. Oh, the tape looks like it's starting to clear up a little bit. This is definitely going to be a very interesting. Oh, the VIX is still pumping. Oh, the VIX is surging right now. Is the VIX telling us something, or is the rest of the market lying? That's the real question. Oh, you know what though? The VIX could be pumping just because of the news, because it knows that the news is about to be volatile. That could be true. Well, I'll say the good thing is that there's orders beneath us. And the last time we had had news and there was orders beneath us, that was a good sign. A lot of buying going on.
All right. Just in time to see myself get flushed. Let's see. Whew. You know how much work you get done? I don't know. I don't know. I couldn't help it. I was like, let me just see. Let me just see. Look, I peeked my head around the corner. What the fuck? Oh God. Oh God. I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna puke. I'm gonna puke. Oh God. What is that? What you do? Oh. Oh Jesus. 17 on the VIX? That's what we do. That's what we on? That's what we on, VIX? Go back up. Go back up. go back up, go back up, go back up. You know what would scare me if it went up first? When it goes down first, I would be way more afraid of if it went up first. I'd be like, I'm selling right here. The fact that the shot that it came down first, I was like, yeah, I'll take that. Yeah, buy this shit back up. Buy it back up, Johnny. Send us to the moon, Johnny. Come on, man. Bro, just get up there, bro. What are you doing? That's the prettiest freaking 15-minute candle to the bullish side. Oh, bears. Just let it happen, bro. Nah, it ain't gonna work. Bears, y'all had y'all month, bro. Like, let's just let it happen, bro. They are not. That's okay. The more they fight, the farther we go. No, Johnny. They're winning. They're winning.
Probably the same thing.
Same thing. Yeah. Same thing.
Gold is on its own.
Yeah, gold barely
is on its
moves.
own
Gold is
thing.
like, yeah, we're out of here. This is very key right here. The Bulls need to defend. If they don't defend, then yeah, this has to hold. Crazy, because that's exactly where I was going to move my stop to, too. Where we tapped. That's exactly where I was going to move my stop to. Yeah, it feels like it. The VIX feels like it's coming down, bro. The VIX is at 17 right now. 1703 on the VIX. VIX is absolutely nuking this market. Somebody is selling like crazy. Yeah, so no, somebody's selling. Somebody is selling. Yeah, this is true selling right here. If we tap 96, I'm out. He's gotta defend, but yo, the VIX is pissed. Yo. Look at gold, bro. Oh my god, I should have just traded gold. Gold is like, bro, isn't it? Bro, gold is freaking out of here, bro. 25 right now. Meanwhile, NQ playing games and trying to flush us out, bro. Look at gold. Bro, why? What for what? Bro, I'm about to get kicked out of this thing. This shit just kicked me out. I just got kicked out for fucking break even, bro. What the? Oh my god. Why, NQ? Why? Why must you play these games? Why must you do this to my soul? Why? Why couldn't you be like gold? Why couldn't you just go right up? Really? No chill, bro. Like, just straight up in the air. It's nuts. Don't do that. Please, God. Please, for the love of God, don't do that. Don't do it. Don't do it, NQ. Oh my God. Don't do it, NQ. Don't do it. Don't go right exactly to my entry. Stop me out and then go back up. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. I'm gonna cry. I'm just gonna walk away and go get my labs done if this shit happens. I cannot.
Oh my god.
You cannot make this shit up, bro. Like, what? Like, I had like damn near the bottom, bro. Like, what? Oh.
Nah, I think this is coming down.
I don't think I'm safe either. Don't worry, it'll come get me. Oh no. Oh no. No.
What?
No.
Wait, you did not just say it's gonna come get my butt. It's gonna come diddy me. You cannot put those two words in the same sentence. No, no, sir. No, sir.
The
it's
VIX
gonna come
is
get my
warming
butt.
the fuck.
It's gonna come diddy me. Wow.
Oh my god. gold moving like this means a flight into gold out of stocks? Possibly. I mean, but it's been moving like this the entire uptrend. That's the only thing, right? Like I understand everybody's philosophy behind that, but this entire uptrend gold's been sending while the market's continuing to push up. So I don't know. Could be, might not be. I don't know. I don't know what the plan is. All I know is like, I think I might just take my little green day and walk away, because if this goes back up, I'm gonna probably cry in a car. But it doesn't look like it's going to, so I'm happy. I mean, I'm not happy because I know there's people in long too. But... yeah, this feels like a trap day. Like everybody just, including me, chasing the longs from yesterday, and they will probably come in, but while people are chasing them, the market's just like, yep, we can get them long here, we can get them long here. They won't sell. They think we're going up, and free liquidity. You in the shorts, Justin? I know you probably faded everybody.
No, I'm not gonna lie, I tried, but it was too volatile. It wicked me out. I was like, ugh.
We got that same similar double top look that we got earlier this morning. Came right down, so.
Yeah, NQ's stupid volatility and stupid wicks.
Bro, just dumb, bro. I could have, like I said, I could have traded gold with a lot less stress, and Ben hit my profit target. Like Ben hit my profit target. All right, everything's reversing now. All of that fun Apple was having, and I said it too. I was like, they're giving they're giving the same look they gave yesterday, except this time the VIX is volatile as hell. Like the VIX is extremely. Look at the freaking VIX, bro. Look at this thing.
No,
it's like a straight up rocket candle.
Mm-hmm. Meanwhile, they're making NQ look like it wants to go back to the upside, but
the VIX is diverging against it. It's like nope. And gold just don't care about none of it. Gold's just like, whatever. Y'all can do whatever y'all want over there with those stocks. I don't belong to the stock market. Yeah, this was a trap. I said it this morning too. I was like, this feels like a day where people are gonna be trying to get long all day. Where I still did it because I was like, it looks so good. You know why? Because mentally in your brain, you're like, well, I don't want to participate in this downtrend because the downtrend's already gone. And low key, I won the trade. I was just trying to, I'm not going to call it greedy because I had a plan in place, but I should have stuck to taking profit at 337, but I wasn't here for it. I should have took one contract off at 337. That's what I should have done.
Oh my God, bro. Every time we get any pop on liquidity, the market takes off.
Yeah, that's how I know they still want to go up. They just playing these games first. I ain't touching this shit till the VIX comes the fuck down. I'm not touching long until the VIX comes back down to earth. VIX is hitting a resistance here. I'm not shorting this market this low. It will not happen. I would much rather walk away than to short this market this low. I will not do it. I'm just going to wait till we come down to 262. Looks like that's where we're trying to go anyway. Look how much aggression is coming into the market when it does push up. It's crazy. It's like these perfect inverse head and shoulders. Like everything is perfect, but it's like when we get to a certain point, the buying just stops, or it doesn't even stop. Look at this shit. It doesn't stop. It doesn't get shut down. I mean, it just gets absorbed by somebody at the top. Look how aggressively we just came out of this area. Look at this shit. Only to come right back down. And when NQ selling, bro, it's like it's a freaking roller coaster. Again, VIX still at 1722. So for me, touching these shorts, touching these longs is like putting your hand on a frying pan, a hot frying pan.
Yeah, they are really trying right now.
Mm-hmm. It's like it's as violent as NQ has been. ES has just been super chill. Putting in a nice higher low, one nice down candle. NQ's just being violent right now. She's angry. Whenever the VIX is that high, NQ is just, bro. Meanwhile, gold is still sending. One direction on gold, bro. 24.26 now. Nuts. Oh my God, 24.27, bro. The more I watch gold, the more I hate trading NQ. The more I hate trading NQ. It's like, yo, just do what you're gonna do, man. Why you gotta play all these games? 24.28 on gold. Gold is fucking sending. They are buying gold the fuck up and dumping the stock market. Yeah, whatever was in that consumer sentiment report, they are fucking sending gold right now. Gold is super sending right now, guys.
Super sending.
It's on a short squeeze, bro. Look at it. I'm not exaggerating. This thing is going. It's crazy. And on gold, not here. And this market is art. The ETFs aren't. I mean, they're moving. They're just moving straight down. and when I say straight down, I mean it's a complete chop fest on the way down. The buyers are buying at every opportunity, so it makes it a nice little choppy chop on the way back down. We're down 300 points since from yesterday's close.
Yeah, the shitty thing is when you really look at this, we're still in the same range we were in. We literally haven't gone anywhere. We're still in
right back in.
Range.
We got knocked right back into Thursday's range. That's what I was afraid of. I was like, man, we need to take this high today because we're gonna go. If not, we're gonna get knocked right back into Thursday's range. And here we are back in the.
We never broke Thursday's range.
Yeah, that high never got broken. That's why I said we need to break the high, or we're going right back in it. The VIX is now at 1736. The VIX is pumping. I should have known better. I know when I see the VIX that high to get the fuck out of the trade. 24.30 on gold now. Super sending gold. You could have just got long on gold and just held your breath. Please, Jesus. Come on, gold. Another 10-point rally. 11, 12, 13. What the? Bro, what is happening on gold right now?
This is nuts.
Yeah. Gold is going super saiyan right now. Yeah, and they're dumping the stock market. I think Makai is right. They're just fleeing out of the stocks and going into the commodities because this is a flee. What's happening in gold right now is it's an influx of money. Like they're short squeezing gold at the high, which means they don't care what price they're buying it at. Everything's on sale right now, the way they're looking at it. Wow. The volatility on gold is absolutely insane. Yeah, I'm definitely going to journal some of these lost opportunities today. I think I'm going to stick to, for me, 40, 50, 10, 20. That's going to be my max. I just, every time I try to hold for the longer move, anything over 50 just doesn't work for me. Like every time I be like, oh, this is just a pullback to go. Yeah, okay. I'll be like, come on, man. Come on. You're not doing that, right? But also today I was in the wrong direction. So I was buying the scalps instead of the shorts. The market was in a downtrend, not an uptrend. So that's one thing I would say about today's performance so far. More selling. As long as that VIX is pumping, we're going to continue to dump. No doubt in my mind. Gold dust anybody? I know Chicago Shy. Did you read any of these comments?
No. I stopped that news at 10 a.m.
EQ getting punched in the mouth. Yeah, it was. 230 cents. Those push last night. Hey, what's going on, CPM? What's up, brother? Oh no, hell no, babe. ES just became your BFF. Yeah, ES can move pretty good, man. Micaiah says the MACD flipped red on the weekly time frame. Hasn't happened since November. Good. Dump this thing. They are absolutely sending gold right now. Sending it.
Yeah, I'm watching ES right now because ES is almost back in demand where we got the initial bounce.
Yeah, I'm still watching EQ. We just tapped into 26275. It's the last level of last line of defense, in my opinion, for these bulls. This is literally 50% of that 1 hour move here. So this level makes a lot of sense for the buyers to step in. We'll see what happens. That's a strong 5-minute candle right there. Very strong on NQ. VIX still hanging out up there. Let's see if it starts to dump. Oh, geez. Again, more aggressive buying coming into NQ. At this point, I just feel like I'm mentally out of bullets here. Still real effed up about giving back all that profit. I don't want to jump into anything with my emotions all twisted right now. I feel stupid. Oh, I feel real dumb now. Oh my God. Ugh. Like NQ goes up so fast, like it's about to push to the moon. Then it just comes down and dumps on everybody. It's like, nope, not yet, not yet, not yet, now. And then when it goes, it's like, so you're not gonna pull back this time? Nope. God. What's up, Pop? It is Friday, huh? We see you on Monday. tracking. Doing pretty good, man. Pretty good.
We're good.
Like I said, I just feel like shit because I gave back a frick ton of profit. Trying to get to the high, didn't secure profit, and yeah, I just feel pretty shitty about it. So other than that, I've been performing pretty good. I just my problem all week was I wasn't holding my trades. So today I was trying to hold my trades, and then, you know, of course I was holding in the wrong direction, so at the wrong time. So it's all good, you know. I'll go back to the drawing board. I'm not red on the day. I'm just disappointed in my performance. That's all.
So for what? What did I do? Oh Lord. I had nothing to do with that. I ain't want him no ways. You can have him, damn it. I ain't want him.
He said I just be flip-flopping on his teams. I ain't want him no ways.
I ain't want him no way. He was a bitch.
When he was on his team, it was like, this is the best dude ever.
Man, he trash. He straight up garbage. You can have him.
It was yesterday. I thought it was yesterday.
It was yesterday. Well, they announced it yesterday. I don't know if he passed away 2 days ago, but they announced it yesterday. Yesterday was the 10th, by the way. Oh no, today's the 12th. Today's the 12th. Damn, I thought today was the 10th. Never mind.
Yeah, we got a nice bounce at that 26225 level. I'm just waiting to see if we can get a pullback. But I'm more inclined to just not trade right now. Like I don't know. Like mentally, I feel like S for giving back all that profit. I know I shouldn't, but I do. I do. I feel real freaking dumb.
I feel you. Wake and bake had $600 profit on NQ, got washed out, and went down to 155. I'm not dealing with NQ anymore today. Yeah.
I was up 1,600, so I let it all go to zero in a matter of seconds.
Yeah, that'll do it to your mental capital.
Yep. So, and I'm just recognizing that, and I'm just like, you know what, NQ, you got me. Okay, it's Friday. I just want to end the day green. Maybe I don't click the mouse to the rest of the day. I got shit to do today. like you gonna take my money on a day where I got stuff to do? Dang. And the VIX is still pumping. Like I just don't trust longs at this point. Like I just don't trust them. Like as long as that VIX is continuing to rip like it is, I feel like they're gonna come in at some point, but the VIX just continues to rip. And as long as the VIX is ripping, like the market's not gonna go anywhere. It's just gonna continue to look like it's going somewhere.
Yeah, the VIX is setting up
just
for
continue warming up. Yeah, it's not pulling back at all. It's just going straight up. As long as that VIX is ripping like that, like longs are gonna be short-lived. I think we could sell off all day if the VIX continues at this rate, to be honest. More selling. Here they come. Here they come.
Yeah, it's about to come right down.
Yep. That's why I said, like, for me, like, until that VIX calms down, like, I like the levels, but the VIX is telling a story right now. I gotta listen to it because I didn't listen to it trying to get a longer move, and everything in my soul was telling me to sell because of the VIX, and I ignored it because of the move I missed yesterday. Right? I took yesterday's trading day into today, and I'm paying for it big time. It's like I'm too stubborn to try to short the market down here, knowing what I know about the market, especially NQ. Like I feel like I could get a short and let it come down, but I feel like when I get in short, it's gonna be the end of the rally. The market's gonna be like, and now we can reverse. I'll be like, see NQ, see.
Yeah.
She wants more downside. VIX is 1742 now, 45. Yeah, this thing wants to come down, guys. Down. They're chewing up orders through here. 1740 now on the VIX. I did not have this in my plan to sell off all day. Not at all. It was a thought process. I definitely ran through it in my brain. Like, this feels like one of those days where the market's going to do the opposite after it got everybody so bullish yesterday. I definitely said it, but I definitely did not act accordingly. Jeez. We are at the area that the bulls have to defend to make this a true uptrend right now. Like they cannot let this go underwater. Like 172. Huh?
So they're not doing a good job.
No. All right, VIX at 45 now. Are you in a trade right now? Just you got that look on your face.
No.
Usually I know. Usually you're in a trade where you got that look and then you just don't talk that much. I feel like
no, I want to.
Like I'm talking to myself on the show today.
I wanted to get long, but there's no buyers right here. I'm putting that higher low, but I was looking at the tape. I don't like it. Today's been kind of frustrating. This price action's been it's been frustrating. I don't know why NQ's range just feels really small today.
It's not in a range. It's just in a downtrend.
Well, I mean not range is in. I mean the range from the high to the low, not like the movement range itself.
I mean we're in a 250 point range. Same. We're almost back down to where this rally started.
Yeah, no, I mean since open, we've only moved the highest point we moved is 84 points from high to low, which is just I don't know, it feels kind of smaller for Enki, but it is Friday, so and they're playing a lot of games today. Playing a lot of games.
There's a whole lot of profit taking today. A whole lot of profit taking.
Yeah, the market just made another lower high there.
Yep. Which means it's probably about to come and make a lower low. Yep. I mean, the VIX is not stopping. It's still, it's going up. It's going higher at 52 right now. So the sellers are definitely asserting their dominance right now. If they get this all the way back down, like, damn. Like I said, this is still like the last dance right here. This is the last area that I would be looking along this market. In this area, like this has to hold, in my opinion. I just don't see any aggression by the buyers. I mean, they did flip the book right there, though. I mean, flip the trend right there. At when they got above 292, though, I do see that. This could be a reversal here. Now that I'm looking at it. See that, Jay?
Yeah.
They can hold this 50%. Oh, damn, it's right at 50%, 268. Let's see if they hold here. Just really want to see the VIX get going before I even attempt another trade to the upside. I mean, the VIX slow down, rather. VIX still at 40. I really like this area, but again, we gotta get it. We gotta break above some structure, man, and hold that shit for me to be interested, because we're just not getting out of this trend. The market is trending down, and it's not giving it up.
Yeah, I would like to long, but Apple is still dumping.
Yeah, like the market is continuing in this downtrend. I'm like, yeah, I like the area, but I don't like anything else. Anything.
Nvidia's not pumping either. It's just flat.
Yeah, it's just not getting the juice. Like I feel like we're pushing up at these levels because we're filling limit orders, but there's no aggressive buyers to follow through.
Yeah.
If the VIX can just come down a little, like just come down to like back down to 1690, like we should be able to move somewhere. Constant fake out after fake out, fake out after fake out. Buy, dump. Buy, dump. The VIX just gets higher and higher every single time. It's just more trappy.
Yeah, yeah.
More traps.
It looks good for longs, and then it's like, nah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, that's why I say, like, for me, I gotta see a huge liquidity sweep come in one more time, and the VIX to instantly go the opposite direction. Other than that, I'm just expecting this thing to keep selling. When we cooked through 3 demand zones already, we're almost back down to where this pump started yesterday. Remember, we started at 172 where we tapped.
Yeah,
we're almost back there. So I'm just like, yeah, we're gonna continue to flush and let it flush, because I'm not chasing this thing. Good Lord, look at the selling increasing. VIX is to 53 now. It's crazy.
Here it comes.
Breaking another low. This is the selling I want to see right here. That overzealous selling, like it's just too much. Like, okay, like, all right, this is the selling I want. Now I want to see these buyers freaking defend. It's like that selling came down, but it wasn't violent. You know what I mean? Like, it was just subtle. Now we're getting some buyers to step in this market. Let's see if they want to hold this shit. No aggression.
The crazy thing is, like, if you look at ES's tape, even NQ's tape, like with the CVD, like, there's just a lot of buying going on.
Yep. The market is ready to pump. It's just a matter of where do we stop before the buyers step in. Because with the VIX at 60, we're not going to stop selling anytime soon. The VIX is just pushed through a supply zone, like aggressively pushed through a supply zone. So as long as the VIX continues to push, we're not going to stop selling. It's just going to continue to come down and fake out more buyers. Because think about all the people that trade supply and demand. At every single demand zone that we keep seeing are seeing the buying coming out, and then it's getting sucked back in. Nobody wants to short down here, so it's easy for the market to come down here and just go. Right? Like most people don't want to short this. Momentum traders, scalpers, they're having a field day. But most people that trade reversals, they don't really want to trade down here. They don't want to short the market down here. And everywhere we said we don't want to short the market, the market's down another 100 points from there. You know? So on days like this, where I know I'm going to be chasing the trend all day, I'm already green. Like F that. Like I'll just let the market do what it's going to do. The only way I'm getting long is if we come down here and the VIX calms the fuck down. Look at this thing down another 100 points. It's crazy. It's a straight dumpage. Look at the 1 hour candle, bro. It's basically a response to the bulls yesterday. And boy, did they respond.
Wicked Bake says, I'm going to sit here and just soak up all the info to keep learning, but I'm not trading this fiasco. LOL. No. Yeah.
I mean, this is serious. I mean, this is, Micaiah called it, right? Shout out to him. He said, hey, if Nvidia's dumping, I'm selling the market. Period, point blank. It's that simple for me. I was paying attention to Apple. I saw what Nvidia is doing. I was like, man, come on. Like, if Apple's going to continue to push, Nvidia's got to come back up to life, right? Literally everything in the market was green except for Nvidia and Microsoft. And now we know who's boss, right? We know who the boss is. It's like, yeah, as long as Nvidia, okay, now the VIX is coming down a little bit. Can we potentially get some type of freaking response from the buyers? Like, are these motherfuckers gonna show up today or what?
That's the question. Custom says, just lost an account, pissed. Thanks for the discount code. This market is BS and it's my Monday too. Can't make this shit up.
I'm sorry, bro. It's BS when you're on the wrong side. If you're longing the market, you're on the wrong side of the market right now. And that's all I've taken as longs, which means I'm on the wrong side of the market, right? So if you're longing the market, it sucks because you're on the wrong side to right now, right? You're not on the wrong side from a macro perspective, but today, if you're longing the market, you're on the wrong side of the market. It's that simple in my brain. Did I think the market was going to go back up? Yes. Did it maybe put me in a biased effect of only looking for longs? Yes. Was I correct? No. Should I have not ignored the VIX? Yes. You know what I mean? Like, today was not the day to ignore the VIX. Today was the day you better pay attention because this motherfucker is cooking.
Zabak said, what if I learn to work your beat and F with you in the ways that you F with me and underline all y'all downfalls for you? Catch you effing up and bring the pound down on you.
Yes.
Just make the.
I think he either made that up or he's quoting a rap, but either way it go, it's correct. That's basically what NQ's doing right now, is just literally chopping, not even chopping, it's coming straight down. But because I was so bullish this morning, right? Like I didn't readjust my brain to say, okay, maybe look for the shorts, you know? Instead, I just kept looking for what wasn't there. And I ignored all of the signs of the bearish activity. All of them. But thank God for that trade this morning because it saved my ass. And again, I didn't take many significant losses. It's just giving back the profits that I gave back did not feel good. Like it freaking ruined my day. Not gonna lie. But I learned a valuable lesson there. Very valuable lesson. VIX is now at 1750, still continuing to push. 1767 was the high. So as long as the VIX keeps pumping, this thing's going to keep dumping. No question. There's so much liquidity on the tape for buyers to get filled, but there's no aggressive buyers coming into this market. Just more selling that's coming into the market.
Yeah, I'm looking at ES's tape, and like all the liquidity is like dried up to the upside. Like they're not even trying to stop buyers right now.
You mean
like
sellers?
buy if you no, they're not trying to stop buyers.
What do you mean they're not
Like,
trying to? How do you stop buyers?
There's no liquidity to the upside. There's no massive liquidity. Like they're not trying to fill buy side orders pretty much, or sell side orders. Like they're only trying to fill buy side limit orders. See what I'm saying?
Which means the selling is coming in. Okay.
Yeah, like they're not attempting to stop. They're like, if buyers want to take the market over right now, they definitely have a window, because they're not trying to stop aggressive buyers from buying the market up.
Agreed.
They're just like trying to take profit. Like that's it.
Yeah, there's no, yeah, okay, I see what you're saying. Like, yeah, there's no sell side liquidity above us whatsoever. It's just there's a straight window. Like it's blank. It literally looks like news is coming out to the upside. But the market just keeps selling. That's why I'm just not stepping in the way it is.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's just there's nothing up there because nobody wants to sell. I mean, nobody wants to buy. Everybody wants to get out of their positions for whatever reason. Whatever the F was in that consumer sentiment, it sent this market straight to hell. This is a dump. This is the type of flush that may send us into a bear market, or at least not a bear market, but at least this is the type of flush that could come back down and break that 18,000 level, is what I mean. Because that high not holding, or that high holding up there, if this low doesn't hold, yeah, their intent is going to be to take out this low at 18,000. And with the amount of liquidity they consumed on the push up yesterday, yeah, this could get ugly if the buyers don't step in. There's nothing from the buyers. It's like limp noodles. It's like they didn't even show up today. They was like, nope, we're good. Taking the day off, boss. I mean, we've been selling for 2 hours. Look at the 2-hour candles, bro. This is crazy. This is a sell off. This is not a retracement. This is definitely not a retracement. This is a reverse soul. If they break that low down there on that 2-hour, Lord. And like you said, there's just no interest from the buyers right now.
None.
They're allowing this shit to come down. They're like, nope, we don't want it. Y'all got it. We're almost back down to yesterday's retracement. Okay, so this candle was the PPI candle, or whatever it is. That candle at 8 yesterday. We're almost halfway through that candle.
This sell-off is ridiculous.
Big still at 52. No chill. Nothing for me to do. I just can't. I'm not gonna start longing this market or shorting this market down this low. I just can't do it. This is not how I want to trade. So
Yeah,
nothing
no,
to do but watch this shit.
There really isn't anything to do.
It's like every time we set up and it looks like we could get ready to pump, nice consolidation is really just slowing down, going into another bear flag to dump lower. As long as that VIX keeps pumping, like the market's gonna keep dumping. Period. Point blank.
Yeah, Apple's also just not finding any buyers. Apple's about to give back its entire rally.
Mm-hmm.
Google's giving back its entire rally. Microsoft is in the dirt.
That was a straight up fake out.
Dang, like, are y'all just not gonna pump at all? Like, is that what we're on today?
Yep. I said it too. I said it and I didn't listen to myself. Man, come on, bro. What? All I had to do was get short, man. Fuck, bro. That shit just drives me insane. All that fucking reversal trading, and all I had to do was just look up and see what the market was truly doing. Oh, that drives my gears. I could have been done with this freaking challenge today.
Oh my god. The question is the selling gonna stop? Probably not.
No, we're coming into this next macro. We should be getting ready to push up. I just want to see the buyers. I mean, the bigs just freaking participate one time. Like, let the foot off the gas. It looks like the selling is kind of slowed down a bit. Jesus.
Who's long on the VIX?
Right? Damn.
Jesus.
I mean, talk about a freaking dump. Oh my God, this is a perfect fucking 5-minute supply zone day. I just missed them all because I was long the other way every time.
Oh God. Let's see. Yes, the bias of going long did it. Yeah. Well, we were coming down, so it was hard to want to get short as we're coming down. It's always
but that's the thing. Like it should be just, I should be focusing on what we're doing, not whether or not it's difficult to do this, that, and the other. Like I should be following structure, not what I feel, right? And what structure was telling me is we were going down, and if I was going to long the market, if I didn't want to short it, I should have been out at the supply zones above me. That's where I went wrong. Like, it wasn't that I went wrong longing the market. I went long expecting the market that I was in, the trades that I was in, I went wrong expecting them to be reversals, and I held them too long, right? Like, I gave up way too much profit today. Way too. I'm talking like probably like $2,600 worth of profit. If I do the calculations in my head, like I was up way, like my challenge could have been done today if I would have just taken my profits, so that's what I'm upset about. Not necessarily green or red. Like, I'm just upset that I didn't finish the way that I wanted to finish today.
Zabak said you got it. Mr. Pot Scraper said predicted this drop since yesterday. Damn thing went lower than expected. We might touch 17.9 by 2 p.m. They looking for discount. Yeah. Kazanga says 1 minute has given a buy signal. Yeah, a buy signal to sell this bitch.
About on the VIX.
Oh yeah, facts.
About on the VIX.
TGI Friday. Yeah, I hate Fridays though. I ain't gonna lie to you, Yvonne.
Man, you hate
what up?
No, I hate every day.
No, I just hate Fridays.
You hate Mondays. You hate Fridays. You hate Tuesdays and Wednesdays because
I don't hate Mondays.
Validation days.
I don't hate Mondays. You hate Mondays because Mondays is no news days. That don't bother me none. I'm already calling it now. We going to 17.9 at least before we reverse. Yeah, possible.
Bro, there's no sell side liquidity above us. Like they have zero intent to bring this market back up. Like zero.
Time to buy the dip. Don't look like this dip.
Not this dip.
Don't buy the dip. It's not done. 3 more minutes. Yeah, 3 more minutes was 3 minutes ago. Ugh. We dumping today. Hell nah, no pump for you. Holding 2 minis. Sell at the top. Okay, good for you, bro. All you can do is wait for a pullback and ride the wave. 2 p.m. we will see a small retracement, but it's going to close bearish. I'm telling y'all right now. Maybe, I don't know. You're trying to predict something that hasn't happened yet, so yeah. We'll see. GC slowly moving back up, is it?
Man, GC never broke down. Never broke down.
GC basically just flagged.
It's been in an uptrend this entire time. It has never broken down.
Yeah, if you're a bull,
from when I got on in London the whole way down. I could literally puke right now. The amount of times I try to long this, I will never do this again. I'm literally just going to, yeah. No, it was definitely my plan to take the market long, but I definitely noticed the increase in the VIX, and I just ignored it. I ignored it. I said the same thing. I think that our longs were good trades though. And that's what I was saying. Like I think our longs, yeah, that's the trade I'm talking about. Yeah, I feel like the two trades I took in London or pre-market was a good trade. I just held it too long. I took profit, but I definitely left way too much profit on the table. And then the second trade I took was another good trade. I just held it too long, right? I should have been out at 337. That macro. Yeah. Yeah, I feel you, man. Trust me, I feel you. Like I was telling Jay, I probably gave back over 2,600 in profit today. So I'm right there with you. My problem wasn't my trades. My problem was looking for the trades to be reversals instead of retracements into areas of interest. and I ignored the volatility index, which is one of the indicators that usually keeps me on the right side of the market. But I ignored it. Justin tried to say something to me. I shut him down. So, you know, you live and you learn, man. I gotta push through it. And I think yesterday, me missing that news, allowing that candle to not just go to my profit target just really haunted me today. And like, although I had the right idea, my aggression was in the wrong direction, right? Like I had the right idea of holding my trades, but I was holding the trades in the wrong direction. I was going against the grain, trying to hold the trades, right? And that was my problem today.
Yeah, we just filled out liquidity and took off.
I don't trust shit until the VIX comes down. Nothing.
Nah, I'm not saying. I'm
I don't trust any longs.
I'm just saying.
No.
I'm going off base what I see on higher time frame. Okay, I think y'all got faked out. I mean, kind of, not really. I don't know. I don't think we got. I mean, Hobbs didn't get faked out. Like he was in the right direction for the time. It was just more of the scalp and not the trend. That's all.
Yeah, I didn't get faked out. I took a good trade. There's nothing wrong with the trade that I took. I just held it too long. The trade was a valid trade. It was a good trade. It hit every one of my criteria. I entered properly. I had a good stop loss. There was nothing wrong with the trade except for me, the way that I managed the trade. Like that was the only problem. There was nothing wrong with the trade. I was in the wrong direction. I was going opposed to the trend, but I will never sell this market this low. I will never buy the market that high. That's just not how I trade, right? So was I against the trend? Yeah. But was I in at the right time? Yeah. Right. Those are all true things, right? So
yeah, like I think this could be the reversal. Not the reversal, but this could be a potential start of an uptrend, but in the overall downtrend to come lower, right? Like, because the market has not had one relief bounce yet in the past, 30 minutes, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes of straight selling. The market has to bounce a little bit, like even if it's only for 50 points, right? And if you catch a 50-point move, that's still a really good, move.
Yeah, you can't just say, well, you're in the wrong direction because you traded along. If you trade along randomly on a dump candle, then yeah, you're in the wrong direction. But every single one of my trades, I was well in profit, like 50, 60 points in profit. That's why I'm upset. Not because I traded bad. I didn't trade poorly. I had a really good day. My problem was my day could have been a lot better if I would have just took my profits off the table, right? It's okay to hold if you're in the right direction. I was holding trades that should have been scalps, right? And that's where my problem lied, right? So
yeah. Went 10 contracts strong and scalp GC. LOL, I just passed a 1-day eval once again. Thanks for the discount code. Custom, you crazy.
Good job, man.
Oh my god. You scalped with 10 minis? That's funny. It's okay. Next week you will easily make it all back. He didn't lose nothing.
I didn't lose anything. I'm green on the day. I'm just
damn,
I could have been done. I could have been done with my eval, is what I'm saying. It's like my take profit account would have been finished today if I would have took profit. I didn't take profit. So
it's all right. Next time you go rob the market for more.
I'm pissed. But you best believe I'm pissed.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna be pissed on Monday. But I know when to shut it down. Like I know it's time for me to shut down, not because I had a bad day, but because I know where this goes if I continue, right? Like I'll give everything back, trying to chase what I could have made. And I'm not gonna do that. So let the market do what it's gonna do. I'll go over here and take out my anger on TOPSTEP X.
Oh dang, they had way more stuff over here. Jesus.
You would think that they would give like an announcement if they're gonna add shit, but they really don't. Yo, VIX is really at 70 right now, 1770. Like I think they're coming down some more. Like this buying is just not taking the market anywhere.
Yeah, no, there's very little signs of buyers. But again, though, like This selling right here that we just got was like not strong at all.
Mm.
Now look at the CVD right now. Look at the divergence. It's nuts.
And here they come. That was a big buyer. See if they can actually push this thing up.
We could easily get like a 50 or 60 point move to the upside from down here. We're back in 4-hour demand right now.
Low. We're down so low that there's no way we're not gonna pop up at some point. I just don't know when that's gonna come up. But I feel like the market's gonna push well up at least 100 points, at least. Whenever it does decide it wants to wake the fuck up. Yeah, I just closed down my other accounts. The more I looked at it, the more I was just like, you know what? Let me just shut it down. It's Friday. Let me not disturb my peace. Go over here and make some money on TOPSTEP X. Shit.
Yeah, let's see what we do here. We're actually seeing some buying coming into the market right now. We're in 4-hour demand. I think ES is in, ES is in 90-minute demand. God damn, gold. Stop playing with them.
Yeah, gold it's only moved one direction all day. I should have just stayed my black ass on gold. I'm a bull, man. I gotta go where the bull market's at. It's all good. Like I said, I'm not disappointed. I'm more disappointed, like I said, in the things that I did as far as trade management, not in my trading day. I think my trade management was based off a fierce anger to try to get somewhere that strategically or technically the market wasn't willing to go. And because of that, I paid for it by giving back way too many profits, right? So that's not something I want to repeat. So I'm going to journal it. I'm going to talk about my feelings to start the day. I'm going to talk about my feelings to end the day. And I'm going to talk about the reasons why I closed my account, because again, it's not it's not a bad day over there. It's a good day. It's a day to be celebrated, but it's a day that could have been more celebrated had I done the right things. And ultimately, I want to do this for a long time, so I need to do the right things all the time. And that's why I'm upset. Right? I ignored clear signs of selling. Right? This morning, I saw a double top. I know what a double top means. Like, I know when I see a double top on a 15-minute time frame, it's time to fucking go. And the market didn't just show it to me once; it showed it to me 3 times. So when that happens, like, that's my fault. Like, that's on me. Right? That's on me to recognize that and to get out of the trade, regardless of what your target is. Right? Doesn't matter at that point. The market just changes mind. The market just went against you. And when you see that, you have to get out of the trade, because the market's not going to be like, well, Hobbs did want this target, so let's just go there. No, the market's going to be like, we're moving down, so either take your money out or we're going to take it out for you. So that was my bad. And that's what I'm upset about. But it's just another. What it did do is it did give me a stripe of courage, right? Like, I wasn't afraid of the market. Courage, cockiness, and stupidity are like brothers and cousins, right? So I had courage, which turned into cockiness, which then grew into stupidity, right? Because I didn't listen to my technicals, right? So I got to have an even balance of all of that, right? And that's how you continuously make the money. And that's what I didn't do. That's why I'm disappointed. So Now we sit and wait for nothing to happen.
Oh my god.
What?
Nothing. Just waiting for something to happen.
VIX still pumping. Tells me the market still wants to come down. So, it's just frustrating. There's just no participation from buyers down here. Like you would think that there would be. I mean, this is literally the point of origin of all of this buying. The 4-hour demand zone down here is literally where all of the buying started. And there's just like no interest. Everybody that was interested in buying yesterday, they have zero interest to buy this market today. Zero. Not even at the lowest point.
Stocks are still coming down. Apple's still dropping.
Yeah.
Nvidia's showing a little bit of life, and so is Microsoft though. But yeah, the VIX is
as long as the VIX is, I was about to say, as long as the VIX still pumps, it's motherfucking gonna keep dumping, bro. I'm like, yeah. Then I look up at my tab, VIX just popped to 70. I was like, yep, nope. It ain't time yet. It ain't time yet. They're gonna come in. They're just I'm just not in a rush. I know when they come in, everything's gonna have to align today because the VIX is telling a story right now. And this thing is not trying to slow down. So as long as the VIX is continuing to push, like it's just no reason to long the market just yet. For me anyway. Everything looks good down here. I just need the VIX to calm the F down. Like, relax, bro. It just keeps going up. It's just continuously going up. So as long as that's happening, houses will not be long in this shit. Just consolidating down here at these lows. So far, every bit of consolidation is ended in more selling. So an aggressive rise of the VIX is just going to indicate more selling. So look at this shit. The tilt on TOPSTEP X, 63% of people are long.
Yeah. That's not good.
Which tells you everything you need to know. Nope. Just dropped to 57% on that one candle drop.
Stops.
One candle changed all of that shit. They're like, oh nope, I'm wrong. I think it's a good area to get long. The market just hasn't shown any strength from the buyers at all. Like they're just not here. They took the freaking weekend off for right now. All right, I like this. This I like. A defense of that low right there at 193 is good. Now just let the VIX calm its ass down. All right, now we got an inverse head and shoulders on the 15-second. Want to just see the VIX drop down a little bit. It's a beautiful inverse head and shoulders right here. I really like this defense here. There we go. All right, VIX coming down to 57. I'm in the longs at 210.50. Like the VIX dropping here at 55. Again, close my other account. I'm over here on TOPSTEP X now. We finally got a official defense down there after that sweep and shoulder. I looked at this like a nice inverse head and shoulders down here in this consolidation. So I like what I was seeing down here. I just want to see the VIX sell down now. It dropped 20 points, which was good. So see if it can keep dropping.
Click on these stocks. Yeah, and yeah, Microsoft's trying to move up, and so is Nvidia, so is Google, so is Apple. Everything's trying to kind of reverse here. So see if buyers have enough leg to get us up. Trap a lot of late sellers. Man, look at, oh my God, look at GC. Look at that dump. Jesus, GC.
It needed to dump.
It did. It did need to dump.
I was getting annoyed trying to long. I was looking at longs like last night at 9:30. I was like, no way I'm long in this market. And then it was just like, zoop. I was like, you know what, GC? If you're just gonna rip like that, I'm just gonna go to bed. Like, there's no way I'm getting long way up here. I'm just not gonna do it. So, I just
Custom said, gonna start getting ready for work before making a bad decision. I'm done for the day. Thanks, great show. Appreciate you, Custom.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm done after this trade. If this trade doesn't work out, I'm done. It's the only
Let's
trade
go,
I'm
Bray.
up.
Bray said, finally got my PA up to withdrawal amount for the 50K PA. It's smart to keep it around 5,200 after withdrawing.
No, it's smart to get all your money out and then just try to do it again. If you got it to the withdrawal amount, bro, like, take your $2,000. You earn that $2,000. Take your full withdrawal amount. Do not leave. Don't take 500 and leave some money in there. That's dumb. Don't do that. Like, if you got to build it back up, at least you took max profit, right? Like, you'll feel much better if you take the max. Do not leave pennies behind. That does nothing for you in the long run. Nothing. Because if you leave a cushion and you blow that cushion, you're going to be pissed that you didn't take the full amount of money out.
That's true.
TOPSTEP or Apex or whoever it is, you paid them for the opportunity to 20x your money, right? Think about all the times that you didn't make it to the payout, right? You got to make up for that. Fuck that. Take all your bread. If this was your real account, yeah, take 500 so you can grow a cushion. This ain't your real account, bro. It's a prop firm. Take all your bread. Everything you owe. Don't leave a penny.
Yeah,
that's my
true.
advice.
Good advice. I agree. Withdraw said,
good advice. Yeah,
it's the curse of money. Once you get it, fool, you got it. Buy a new pair of draws and watch the MFer spot it funding accounts. What? Where are you coming up with this stuff, Zabak? Yeah, I needed it. I got 400 out of gold before it dumped. Hey, there you go.
Zabak be smoking. Zabak be smoking. He be saying that high guy shit.
Zabak be smoking. Be crazy.
And of course, now the longs want to come in when I switch accounts. You motherfuckers. All right, long on
all forever.
Yeah, long on NQ at 21050 on TOPSTEP X. Target is reasonable at 29125. The market should be able to give me that.
Yeah, I'm long, just 7 points above you at 21775. Yeah. My target's 280. I'm
really done giving back
up to the high.
Yeah, that's for damn sure. I'm locking in something here. Locking in $100 over on TOPSTEP X. I'm cool with that.
Yeah, I'm in TOPSTEP X as well. Allowing this to play out. Really nice candle on the 2 minute. Man, it's just like patience freaking pays, man.
All right. Regardless of the outcome of this trade, I'm done after this. I gotta go get labs and
yeah, not Sam. I gotta go get X-rays today.
Yeah.
But I definitely want to see this trade play out. I'm very happy with this trade.
I think I was about to say some shit all fucked up. I was about to say what I was trying to say was this is a nice trade, and so were all of the other trades. But this one I'm going to let play the profit target, but I'm going to squeeze profit as we go up. Right? Like I'm up a 4-1 right now. So after this candle closes on the 15-minute, then I'm going to go and squeeze some profit out of the market. So that's my plan, and that's going to continue to be my plan because I can't keep giving back that type of profit. That's just not who I am as a trader. Just want to see the buy. Oh yeah, the VIX is coming down. I just looked at the VIX. Okay, you just want to see the buyers continue to buy up here at this high and start to squeeze price back up.
Yeah, 59 is the first place that I'm going to be looking at a potential rejection. If we can blast through 59.
Yeah.
If we can, and it's like a little 1 minute supply. And the only reason why I kind of give that supply a little bit of precedence is because of how large that 1 minute candle was that brought us down. You know.
The imbalance candle. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, that was a large candle. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go to break even now. I'm up quite nicely.
I'm up 35 points here.
Yeah, I'm almost up 30 points. So just gonna allow this thing to kind of play out, but I really like all the buying. I think we're starting to squeeze out a lot of late sellers. Yeah, a lot of late sellers are getting squeezed right now. That's what we want to see.
Why can't I get this shit on my other
account? Bro, I know I opened it. Well, I reset one of my accounts that I was planning on resetting with a free reset that we got from TOPSTEP that expires on the 19th.
Yeah.
And that's the account that I'm in right now. I'm like, oh my God, why can't I have done this on the account that I'm up 5,100 in?
Yeah.
I just didn't trust it. I was like, I'm not putting that account at risk. I'll try to grow a different one. I should have got 2 accounts at 5,100, but whatever.
Yeah, this is we hit profit target. This one will be pretty close to being done.
Yeah, I sized down. I sized down to 5 micros. So.
Oh no, I'm not sizing down. I don't have a problem with the size or anything I'm doing. Like, I'm not doing anything wrong, right? The only thing that I have a problem with, like I said, is just making sure I'm securing profit every time. That's what I need to make sure that I'm doing. That's the biggest thing wrong with my day to day. But I'm not going back to micros ever again. I'm just not doing it. It's just too lucrative for me and how I trade. I have confidence in what I'm doing. Like, I can be up in profit much faster using the mini. I'm good. I'm comfortable there. Locking in $600 right there. Not gonna let this go any lower than that. I'm up 730 right now, so. $605 for the fees, bitch. Okay.
No, good lord.
All out right there. Good trade. I'm done. I'm done for the day. I do not trust these bears. I mean, I do not trust these bulls. The VIX looks like it's trying to go right back up. So, no, thank you. Everything that I do against the trend will be a scalp from here on out. If I'm going against the trend, scalping this motherfucker. Look at these bears. Nope, I ain't messing around. I'm all out. I'm done trading, guys. I got shit to do today. One and done over there on TOPSTEP X. I think I take 1 trade a day on this thing. It's crazy. You don't know what who did. You talking about my wife? What you talking about? Micros work. I don't say that they didn't work. That's not what I said. I said that I can be in profit much faster and use them to scalp. I can use the minis to scalp much faster with the minis. That trade, in micros, I would have been up 250, 300 in that trade, right? Which is a good number, but I would have been more inclined to sit through this pullback if I was in micros. When I'm in minis, because I don't need as much like for the scalp, I just take the money off the scalp, and then, you know, especially in a 50K account, right? Like, I'm cool with it. If it continues to push, it's not going to bother me at all. My account's closed. Yeah. So you say, hey, please forgive me. I had a bad dream last night. I don't know what you did, but please forgive me. I don't know. I didn't do anything. I don't know what you're talking about, Bray. I mean, G-Cart. I don't know what you're talking to. Are you talking to my wife? Talking to Miss Shay? Yeah. I don't know. I don't know what she did. I didn't do anything. Doom, 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 doom. Doom, 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 doom. Doom, 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 doom. Doom, doom, doom. Boom, boom, boom. You want to see a defense down here at 232? You want to see these buyers hold this market up? Let's check on the VIX is still selling down nicely. The stocks are starting to recover.
15-minute candle, but we'll see.
Stocks are starting to recover pretty nicely down here at these lows. I'm just not a fan of the buyers today. So for me, the only thing I was willing to do was scalp it there. I wasn't willing to give back any profits. I think it could rally here though. Nvidia's getting a nice aggressive candle on the 15-minute. Very nice close on the previous candle. Apple looks pretty good for a nice pullback. Microsoft finally looks like it's finding buyers here, so I think it's a good trade to hold on to. Just not for me, not today, not the way I'm feeling. Nope. Hobbs was not in a holding mood whatsoever.
Hobbs was in a give me my money mood.
Yep.
Move out the way.
Exact mood I was in. Give me my fucking bread. Get the fuck out of my way. I got murdered today. Yeah, it was. Yep. Oh no. Yeah.
Was it the 150K account?
Yeah, Jay, that's the
I
one
said,
you've
was
been
it
trading.
the
He said he
150K?
killed the whole week on one day. That means the 150K count. Oh yeah. You know, you still got 400 more, man. Just keep trading.
That was such an asshole comment.
Just keep trading, bro. Like, yeah, no big deal, bro. Just keep going. You could do better than that. Hey, Valdez, you could do better than that, bro. Get the numbers up. Yep. Yep. I've been there, bro. Like, long in the market.
Bro, this was in nobody's plan. The dump anyway. I ain't see this dump coming.
Oh, he said, don't even ask me, bro. I don't even know. Like, I couldn't even tell you. I have no desire to tell you anything. I can't tell you shit.
Spin the block.
Oh yeah. We coming back. We coming back with that thing, bro. We coming back with that thing. We got. Yeah, no, I'm definitely a bull. I'm definitely a bull.
That's the only thing House does is long.
See, that's spoken like a true non-bull. So for me, when it's falling like that, I just go somewhere else and look for the bull market. You're not a real bull. You don't know what you're doing.
God, you sound like Yash.
Hey, it's a bull market somewhere.
That's exactly what he said. He said there's always a bull somewhere. He's like,
I would have stuck to that thought process and took my ass over to gold, I would have fucking printed.
That is
the bull side. Between the 4 instruments that I trade, one of them motherfuckers gonna be bullish.
Gold, bruh.
Huh?
Well, gold is dumping now, but before
gold's dumping now. When I was looking to trade, because normally I take a trade. Here's where I effed up at. Normally I take a trade on all 4, right? So I'll take a long on ES. I'll put a long on gold. I'll put a long on all of them, right? And then just cut them at certain times. My problem was I was only long on NQ, the most sporadic one of them all. You know what I mean? So yep, we had the perfect inverse head and shoulders down there. I was like, this is the long right here. I was like, I'm not gonna sit and not pass this one up. So it was a good trade.
Oh damn. Well, that's unfortunate. I just sold 3 right there, but it's all good. I'm holding 2. I'm holding runners now. I just sold 3. I'm holding runners to my profit target.
Good, man. Good trade, bro. What am I doing? Oh, I was gonna look at gold. That's what I was gonna do. Futures.
And I can try to squeeze out. Now that I've taken profit, I'm just gonna try to squeeze out as much as I can out of this trade.
Bro, I hate on gold. Gold did not give it all back. Goes right back into demand, bro.
Gold gave it all back. No, gold did give it all back. Gold gave it rally back on the day. Shut up.
I gotta go check myself, bro.
Gold didn't give it all back. Gold is back and open. What do you mean,
bro? Y'all be over exaggerating like a
no. That's not over exaggeration. Stop it.
You don't think it's over exaggeration? All right, let me factually put it to you this way. All right,
gold gave back all the gains on the day.
You said what?
Gold gave back all the gains on the day.
Oh yeah, on the day, but not since where I was looking at gold. I was looking at gold in London.
That's fine. You can be looking at gold whatever time you could look at gold whatever time you want to look at gold. Gold gave it all back on the day.
What?
Gold gave it all back on the day.
Oh, you waiting on a twin show from the Moo special guest Hobbs? Hobbs is not coming to Moo show. That's Justin's boy.
That's why he said the twin show. That's why he said that with you being the special guest.
Oh, he's saying Justin. We waiting on. Oh, okay. I got you. Yeah, I mean Justin can go.
Oh my, bro, look at gold dump. Oh my God.
Let's see
That candle.
2405. Oh, time to get long.
Hey, as long as gold
What y'all
dumping,
talking
we
about?
should be pumping. So we
Time to get long.
chilling.
Go.
We chilling.
Damn, go. Oh my God.
Giving it up.
Oh my God.
Gold giving it.
Bruh.
Jesus, gold.
Bruh.
Gold giving it up.
Gold just fell. Bro, I didn't even realize gold went up to 24.48. This shit went from.
Bro, that was a.
This shit rallied 48 points and dumped 48 points in 15 minutes.
I told you.
Shit.
And he said gold don't give it up.
No, what I said was you be over exaggerating.
I was not over exaggerating.
You do be over exaggerating.
I said I was.
What did he say this morning, y'all? Man,
I said I was
ES
not.
Pump. Yes,
it was pumping.
1 point, Justin.
No. See, again, I was saying relative to where it bounced off of demand, it was pumping. I was right.
Bro,
it's not even about being right. It was pumping. Relative. That's the key. Okay. The operative word there is relative.
What do you think when you use the word pump? There is no relative to it. That is an adjective that has one specific meaning. So you then can't connect it to something that's relative when you're using an adjective that's not relative.
Pumping to you could be different.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. All right, we're done.
Is that not relative?
Nope. The minute you go into a conversation that's about facts and you start saying, well, to me, it's like this. Just because you think the door is open, I could also see the door is closed, but from the other side.
No. Because a pump is different for everybody. You can't a 10-point pump to somebody
Justin.
Might. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
How long have you been trading, Justin?
You can't tell me that a 5-point rally. If you're like, damn, it's pumping. It pumped 5 points, but 5 points to me is 20K. That's a pump to somebody. It's all relative. It is all relative.
Okay.
Move my stop button. It's all relative.
I'm done with you. All relative. Yeah, go gave it all back, bro. That's a dump. When you see this right here on gold, this is a dump, right? And it's not relative. This is everybody can look at this and say this is a dump, right? Everybody can look at this side and say that's a pump. If that's the case, why even use the word? If you're going to say it's relative, why are you going to even use the word? Because what you just said was a 5-point move on ES is a pump to somebody.
It could.
Are you fucking kidding me? That's not a pump. When an instrument moves in 1% per day, 1% is like 30, 40 points on ES. So if it moves 5% of its average move on the day, that is not a pump. That's not relative. That's just a fact. You just try to switch the words up so you turn it into something that's relative. It's not fucking relative. If something's pumping, it's going up fast and far. It's not going up 5 points when on the day it rips, 40 to 60 points on the day. But to you like to be right, so you switch the argument up to be something different.
It's not about me being right or wrong. I truly believe that a pump is relative to the person, and Southside Crypto tends to agree with me. So I'm with Justin. I don't know.
I don't care. What the fuck? So because Southside Crypto agrees with you, that's the end of the argument. He agrees. No,
it's not the end of the. It's not the end of the argument.
How many times I've argued with you, and the entire chat has agreed with me?
No, it's fine. I mean, they can agree with you if you want. I'm just saying a pump is relative to the person. Like you can't. To you, a 5-point pump might not be nothing, but to somebody else, a 5-point pump might be a lot. Like you can't.
But when you said it, Justin, see, and again, this is you changing the narrative of the conversation. When you said it, that ES was pumping, did you mean relative to you, or did you mean ES was moving fast and far? That's the question.
I said ES was pumping because it was up way more than what NQ was up, and it hadn't come back as far as NQ came back. So relative to NQ, ES was pumping. Yes.
Okay. Whatever you say. Male Gossip says Hobbs Justin is right. I disagree with all of you. I think that a pump is not relative to the person. If that's the case, if ES moves 1 point, you're gonna tell me. And I turn around and say, dude, ES just pumped. I hit you up on the phone. I call you. I say, Justin, ES just went crazy because it moved 1 point in 30 seconds. Is that a pump, Justin? Because it's relative to me, or is that me over exaggerating?
If you think it's a pump, then that's fine. If I don't think it's a pump, then I don't think it's a pump. If you say ES pump 1 point, I'll be like, damn.
What's the point of even using the word? All right, you know what? This is what I say with what I mean. This is what I mean with Justin. When Justin goes and says something, he changes the narrative of what pump and dump means.
I'm not.
If something is pumping, you can't just say, okay. So if ES moves a half a tick, just because I said ES moves a half a tick, but it went there fast, is that still a pump?
It
based off your logic.
It could be if it's a pump to you.
All right, I'm done. I'm done with this conversation. We're done here. If it moves a half a tick, that's a pump. As long as you think it's a pump, that's all that matters. If that's the case, Justin, this is why I say you. When you
nobody
argue,
can define,
you go
into
what
a pump is.
This is the typical Justin move where you don't think something is factual when you know that there's facts to define it, right? You know that the word in trading, it's not a number. You know that there's not a factual number, but you know the word pump is definitely not used to define a half tick move.
But my point is that a pump
is it used to define a half a tick move?
You can't
is
say
it used to define a half a tick move?
Okay, but imagine being an institution and having millions of dollars. A half a tick move to them could be a pump if they're making a ton of money off the tick.
Justin, institutions don't use the word pump or dump. They use the word buy or sell. That's it. My point and a half a tick move, even if you had millions of dollars on the line, you're not gonna put millions of dollars on the line for a half a tick move. If you put millions of dollars on the line, you know, and again, this is why I say you change the narrative of the conversation. You know, because you've been a trader long enough, you know damn well ain't nobody putting $1 million on the line for a half a tick and then calling it a pump. So just stop with that bullshit. You know that's bullshit.
Again, a pump is relative because you can't define what a pump is. You can't. Right. Nobody can define what a pump is because a pump is different to everybody.
You can't define what it is, but you can define what it is not. Can you not?
Yeah,
you can't.
Yeah,
you mean to tell me you can't?
If you're dumping, then you're not pumping.
You mean to tell me
that is true?
You can't tell me right now that if somebody told you, I called you on the phone right now and said, "Hey Jay, I just killed ES for a half a tick. This shit pumped." You wouldn't giggle and say that's definitely not a pump, bro.
I would, because that's
answer the question, Justin. I'm asking you the question.
That's not a pump to me. That again, relative. That's not a pump to me.
Who would describe a half a tick move on ES as a pump?
I don't know.
Is there anybody you know that
there might not be? Again, it's relative. Just because you said that's an insequential pump, that's a small pump. You know, it's not really.
Now we're gonna change the word up, right?
You can't define a pump and you can't define a dump, because a pump and a dump
is
different to everybody.
So you said the word pump in trading doesn't have a definition?
No, I didn't say it doesn't have a definition. It definitely has a definition. But what I'm saying is that a pump and a dump is relative to the person. So what is a pump to you might not be a pump to me, and what's a pump to you isn't gonna be a pump to me. That's all it is. So if I said the market's pumping and you're like, oh, it's not pumping, I'm like, well,
this is what
it's relative.
I think to you, if something moves fast, really quickly to a destination, you define that as a pump. Regardless of how many points it moves, when you see something move really fast, really quickly to a destination, you define that as a pump. I don't. I define the movement of price, how far it went, as a potential pump. When you saw ES go really fast to its price, you said, oh shit, ES is pumping. And I said, Justin, it moved a point. Well, relative to NQ, it moved 5 points. I'm like, well, that's still not a pump. A pump was what we saw yesterday, Justin. There's a big difference between a 5-point move. You're
talking about open, and I'm talking about an entire pumping move. But again, a pump
is about 5 points, and we talking about 5 points.
But a 5-point move on 10 minis is a lot of money, and to somebody that's.
Did I say anything about how are we talking about the money? We're literally just talking about the movement of price. That's what the adjective is defining. Not how much money you can make off that
pumping. It still is relative to the person. A pump is relative to the person. You could say
we're not talking about how much money you can make from the.
No, I know, but I'm still saying
how much money you can make from the move.
Okay,
I'm just
but still,
defining
a pump is
the
relative
movement of price.
Okay, and that's fine, but a pump is
Right?
still relative
We're not
to the
discussing.
person.
We're not saying, hey, a pump to you because you made $100,000 is a
That's
true
still,
pump.
That's
That's
still
not
fine.
what I'm saying.
That's
I'm
still
not
fine.
defining.
A pump is still
I'm
relative.
not talking about the money. I'm talking about the adjective that you're giving price is what the word pump and dump means. I know you know this, but I feel like you're playing dumb.
No, I'm not, because you cannot define what a pump is, because a pump is different to every person. One pump is not the same as another pump to somebody else.
Now we can't define the word. So now you haven't been trading long enough to understand the difference between a pump and dump.
You can define the word. What I'm saying is a pump is different for everybody.
You're tripping, bro.
How am I tripping?
Because you're saying that you can't define a word that you've been using since you've been in trading. You know damn well you may not have a solid open book definition of the word, but you know damn well the difference between a 5-point move and a 100-point move. Is that definable? Can we define the difference between 100 points and 5 points?
I'm not
Which one would be defined as a pump and which one would not be defined as a pump?
Either one could be a pump. You moved up. Either one could be a pump. It depends on your perspective of what a pump actually is.
Justin,
that's what I'm saying, is that you're saying,
like, well,
100 points was a pump. Yes, it is a pump.
If that's the case, then the word pump should just not be said. If you're saying that the word pump can be defined as a half a tick and a 100-point move, I disagree with that. Because that's what you're saying by saying that. You're saying that
everybody's definition of what a pump is.
You may not think a half a tick move is a pump, but I think a half a tick move is a pump, so I'm gonna call it a pump. And I would say you're wrong. I would say you're incorrect.
I think that's perfectly fine, because everybody's definition of a pump is gonna be different.
Okay, would you or would you not say a half a tick move is not a pump?
For me, it's not a pump. For me, that's
would you say a 5-point move is a pump?
It could potentially be.
No, you just answered me definitively about the half a tick. Now I'm asking you about a 5-point move.
Okay, to me, a 5-point move is not a pump.
Because oh my God, I cannot. All right, I'm done, guys.
I could say it's pumping.
I'm out of here. I'm out. I cannot. I
don't know what his problem is. Zabak, I'm with you. I think he's missing the point. You can't define what a pump is, because a pump is different to everybody. What's a 10-point pump to somebody doesn't mean anything. Like, a pump is relative. You can't define it. There's no definition of what a pump actually is, because it's different for everybody. What's a pump to Zabak is not a pump to me. What a pump to Southside is ain't a pump to me. Like, that's I don't know what else to say. Like, it's not the same. It's not, and that's okay. Like, you can have a difference of opinion. It's not. You can't define what a pump is. You just can't, because it's gonna be different for everybody. Why is the most Hobbs tripping? Fraudsters typically spread false or misleading information to create a buying frenzy that will pump up the price of a stock and then dump shares, selling off their own at that's the definition. But that's cool, and I don't disagree with that definition, but factually there's no number to what a pump is, because you can't you can't define it, because everybody defines it differently. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's no number. So if I say, oh, the market's pumping, you're like, oh, the market only went up 5 points. It's like, yeah, but to me that was a pump. Like, you can't like, it's completely objective. There's no subjectiveness to what a pump is. You can't define it. You just can't. You can't. We all are. Thank you, Gary. Thank you. Does gold follow anything, or does it run by itself? Gold has been following BTC. I'm not sure where it's necessarily correlated, but I do know a lot of the time. Well, I don't know. Gold has kind of been doing its own thing, honestly. Like, just looking at it, gold has really been doing its own thing lately. So it's definitely not following the stocks. I can tell you that. I would say it's been more on its own. Damn, we broke and retested this. Yeah, I still got a nice play out of that though. I actually enjoyed that conversation. Like, I wasn't like as much as the argument was that he completely left the Discord too. I enjoyed the conversation. Like, I thought it was a good conversation. Have a great weekend, everybody. YouTube custom. I thought it was a good conversation. Like, I don't know. He'll be back. Go drink some orange juice, Hobbs. Well, my thing is like it's a relative term. Like you can't define what a pump is. Like you just can't. Like exactly. I mean, it is true. It is true. And like, I wasn't trying to troll Hobbs. Like, I really wasn't. Like, I really believe that like a pump is subjective to however you think a pump is. Like, you can't define a pump by a number. So therefore, because you can't define a pump by a number, then it's got to be based off of your own opinion. Like that's all you can really do. So, those are, yeah. Exactly. Well, yeah. I mean, if you could define a pump by a number, like if everybody was like 30 points is a pump no matter what, and that was the standard of what a pump was, then I would have no argument. But the problem is that nobody has that standard, so therefore everybody's standard is going to be different. And the reason why I brought money into it is because that's what we're like. Money defines the pump as well, because if you're in 10 contracts and you're only up 5 points, but that's like, 10 grand, then that could be a pump to you, right? And you might cut that because of the money value. And that's the reason why I brought that up, was the money. But even without the money, like even besides the money point, like Hobbs is right. Like the points, to me, a half a tick's not a pump. But again, that was my opinion, right? Like, but you still can't define it though. Like there's no definition of what a pump is as far as like lengthwise, because it's gonna be different for everybody. That was my only point. So, but I mean, we can agree to disagree. I'm cool with it too. So, but maybe I'm you know what, Zabak, I'll try to make it into a short. I have to find a good part of it. But he said those are great YouTube shorts, like Southside said, make money off the debates. Yeah, I'll try to make it into a short. I think it was a good short. But yeah, I wish you wouldn't have left like that though. I was still trying to go. I wasn't done. I mean, I'm done trading at this point. This market done hit my profit target and still trying to pump. I closed it a little bit early, but I secured profit, so I'm not mad. But we did end up hitting my overall profit target, so it's all good. It's all good. Walking away up almost $500 on the day on this brand new account, so can't be mad there. But yeah, good convo. Anyway, y'all, I think I'm gonna get up out of here. I got a video I gotta make. I gotta get an x-ray done. So we still here. Appreciate y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna get up out of here. Be safe in these markets, y'all, because these sellers, they're on one right now. But we'll be back Monday. I'm gonna make that into a YouTube short just for y'all. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all on Monday. Peace.